Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So it's collaboration video time, and we are excited on this one. We are doing this collaboration with 6 total channels, including us. So those 5 other channels are the Wayward Wags, Travels with Delaney, Tree Talker the Traveler,
Happy Place Diaries, and Brazen Brits.
Brazen Brits. And we, in this video, are going to tell you 3 rules that we use when picking our campgrounds, what we look for. And stick around to the end of this video because we are currently in a place that we broke our rules. And you will see why you do not need to break these rules. Stay tuned. So we can go, the size of our rig, we can go for about 2 weeks without having sewer hookup. But we always look for at least 30 amp and water.
Yes.
We prefer to have everything, full hookups.
Oh yeah.
Just because of those 2 back there, they like to flush the potty for a long time. But usually we can do 2 weeks without sewer hookups. So that is our number 1.
Yeah.
On to number 2. So our rig is 41 feet long, which brings us to number 2 on our list.
With that being said, it's really simple. We have to find a campground our rig can fit into.
Okay. And finally, number 3 on our list, which we feel is the most important, is definitely, we always check the reviews. Check for current reviews.
Yes.
On Google, on the website, on Facebook. Check any reviews that you can. Because, yeah, we kind of broke one of our rules, the place that we're at, and it kind of came back to bite us. So. And again, this is a collaboration video, so I highly recommend that you click the links below to check out our friends' videos. There's no telling what they look for when they pick campgrounds. Probably nothing like what we look for. But that brings us to the end of this video. Again, I am Bobby with Travels Abound. If you have not already done so and you like this video, please feel free to subscribe. It is free. And with that being said, I will leave you with this great image of a burned out building behind us at this campground. Safe travels, everyone.